So if you're looking for ways to make money on YouTube, then this video is for you because over here we are going to watch there's 17 ways to make money online. So this is a podcast, a 45-minute podcast made by Think Media Podcast.
Okay, so let's go through these 17 income streams and lock in for this whole episode because we'll get nuances on each one. Now, the first one is YouTube ad revenue. I'm curious about your lessons, what you've seen, but I have all your numbers and thank you for being so generous to share these. So you started in 2018. In 2019, you made $1,571 from the YouTube Partner Program.
Yep, taken right off my tax return.
Taken right off your tax return. So that's 2019. Then it was 2020, it was 14,000, 2021, 38,000, 2022, 78,000. 2023 went down to 43,000, and then last year, $40,000. That's just YouTube ad revenue, one of 17 income streams.
Yeah, so YouTube AdSense is one way to make money. I think this one, it shouldn't be something that anyone should brainstorm. But there's something he said about YouTube AdSense that kind of shocked me. So I want you to hear it.
I think also YouTube ad revenue, views can fluctuate, seasons can fluctuate, viewership, and then different channels pay different amounts per 1,000 views. Personal finance and wealth building and real estate pays really well. Mine tech also pays well. It's probably a little bit lower. It's kind of in the middle. If you do entertainment type of content, that's usually on the low end. And it also depends on who your audience is. So YouTube's going to pay you more typically to reach people in their 40s, 50s, 60s because they have more spending power.
Correct.
And if it's a Gen Z audience, it's going to pay a little bit less. But the first income stream is YouTube ad revenue. And it's going to take time to get your first 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 hours of watch time. But once you do, you can sign up for the partner program and they'll start paying you for views.
And YouTube now is probably, I don't know, if you rank them first to last, probably near the bottom.
Yes. Okay.
As income comes in, which is interesting, right? Because everybody's chasing to your opening AdSense. AdSense is like, other than books, it's like the lowest on my, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't have a team, no advice.
Did you hear it? He said YouTube AdSense to him, out of the 17 streams of income, YouTube AdSense is one of the lowest streams of income, like as compared to other means of income on YouTube. Like, that's crazy. So let's move on to the second way to make money on YouTube.
Okay, so number one is YouTube ad revenue. Now, number two is book sales. So when did you write your book, One Rental at a Time?
So I wrote One Rental at a Time during that first year as I was creating content. I do think if you're going to be a content creator on YouTube, you should have something that could be monetized other than AdSense. I think the easiest thing to do is write a book, right? You could do courses, you could do other things.
In 2019, you made $6,289 from the book.
Correct.
Then the next year, $18,000. The next year, $24,000. In 2022, you made $31,000, almost 32. And then 2023, $28,000. And so every year this is compounding. What's crazy is you totaled it up here. So your book has earned $132,026 and counting.
The physical copies.
The physical copy, because audio.
There's another one. That's a second stream.
We'll get to later. So that's so powerful. So then number three is educational courses or online courses. So how many courses do you have, or do you just have one course?
So in the beginning, I just had one course. It was called How to Get Started One Rental at a Time. And again, I don't know what I'm doing. I get lots of advice. People were saying thousands of dollars. I sold it for $99 the first year.
Okay.
And then $199. And then I think now it's $299. I did spin off a couple of other courses. How many do I have now? I think I have 8, maybe 9. They're like little $50 ones because I'm just trying to solve unique needs. But the main course where 90% of the revenue is, it's called How to Get Started One Rental at a Time.
Bottom line, your course has generated $537,000 so far. That is wild from online courses. And that is the third income stream.
That's why it's $500,000 just from selling courses. Whoa.
Which brings us to number 4, which is your audiobook. So you sat down and wrote a book. Then did you record your own voice?
I didn't. I tried to. I don't read well.
Okay.
I'm not, certainly out loud, I don't read well.
Did you hire a voice person?
I did. So there was a 2-step.
And so in 2020, you made almost $5,000 just from Audible.
Yeah.
And that over the years now has been $37,000 from audiobook revenue.
Correct.
So I want you to notice something here first. You can see that the last 3 streams of income, there's some chain over there because one, he wrote a book and he was making money from the book. And then that same book, he changed it to PDF and he was also making money from it. This same book he wrote, he changed it to audio file and he was also making money from it. That's brilliant.
Yeah. So, okay. Number 4 is Audible. Number 5, and we're going to get very tactical here now because this is called referral or affiliate income. And affiliate marketing, if you're new to it, is where you sign up at a website that sells something online. They allow you to have a custom link You could put that link in the description, tell people, hey, if you want to go check out this product or service, if they click it, then that custom link tracks that it's you who sent the person, and then you get a commission. So you could be an Amazon affiliate, which our numbers are going to get messed up here, but we do get to 17 streams because you put a lot of things under just referral and affiliate income because you have these different opportunities. We're going to break them all down. But Amazon affiliates is one. Just affiliate marketing last year, 2024, made $62,000.
So for this number 5, this is where the number gets a little bit messed up because a lot of things were said in this number 5 because it wasn't only affiliate marketing, because we have something like partnership, because some of his affiliate marketing things were more like relation, like people he know. He invite them to come to his YouTube channel and they talk to his channel and they pay him. Yes, some is sponsorship. So if you want to watch the full video, you have to go to their channel. It's Think Media Podcast. I don't know. Think Media Podcast, and search for this title, 17 Real Ways to Make Money.
So this whole category, we have kind of referral here, partnership, affiliate income. And in summary, there was the 6 different types of, companies you're doing stuff with. There's the newsletter and also Amazon affiliates. That takes us to our next income stream, which is live events.
Yeah, live events are really interesting because they look really impressive top line. But as you know, throwing on events, there's a lot to them. The first year I lost money. The second year we made a little bit. But yeah, live events. And again, I look
So are these numbers profit or
that's total? That's revenue. That's revenue.
Got it. So in 2023, you did it 6 figures. You did $101,000.
Yeah.
So this live event is when you meet your viewers or your subscribers like one-on-one. You host a party or you host something. Like the first time he did it was when he hit 50,000 subscribers, and he hosted a one-on-one event where you will meet with your fans, you meet with your subscribers. Yeah, so that's what live event is all about, and he was able to make money from it. So if you think you can host a one-on-one event where your fans come to meet you, you chat with them, yeah, you can do it.
And so then the next one was a surprise to you, and it was the fact that you also you just upload simple videos, no editing to YouTube, but you extract the audio.
Correct.
And you distribute it as a podcast.
Yeah. So we've been posting to Spotify since 2019.
So the next one is Spotify. Some people think Spotify is only for music. No, Spotify is for podcasts. Like Spotify is just about audio. So you can just create any audio and post over there. So it's a good source of income. Over here, he mentioned that Spotify pays him, I think, $600 every single month.
You do like the daily financial news, it hits audio, but Spotify pays you $600.
Yeah, out of nowhere. I didn't know it showed up. I didn't even know what was happening.
The next one is the newsletter. So it was mentioned earlier, but it really more than referral or affiliate income. You launched a newsletter.
Correct.
So if you don't know what newsletter is your sending of emails. If you have been on YouTube or if you have been on social media, a creator would have once asked for your email. Maybe he decided to offer a free stuff, and you wanting to get that free stuff, he asks you for your email, and then you give in your email, and you see them sending some things to you, sending like educational content. Yeah, so that is what is called newsletter, and this is kind of a good way to make money, and not just for making money, but also to have an audience of your own. Because you see, in their video, he mentioned that the reason he started the newsletter was because one of his clients' YouTube channel got hacked. And since the channel got hacked, he lost everything. So which means that sometimes, even on YouTube, something can happen and you lose all your subscribers, you lose all your fans. So in order to prevent this from happening, people create newsletter. So if anything happens, they can create a new channel and send the link of this channel to their newsletter subscribers. And it's a good way of advertising products, because since people are reading it, you can sell them a product through that. And then the last one he mentioned was sponsorship. This one should not be difficult. Sponsorship is when brands come to you and tell you that they want you to help them promote their product, yeah, and they pay you some amount of money, and then you talk about their product on your channel. So that is sponsorship. But before I end this video, they have a little bit of advice for you, so watch it.
You have to build trust, and YouTube is the only platform that does that. You don't do it in 60-second dancing monkeys.
That's good. I want to hit a couple things. You said your AdSense dropped, though, at one point by 50%, but your overall income went up. What's the core mindset shift behind that?
Again, what I would tell somebody on this, it's not AdSense. YouTube is what I look at YouTube as is how I build trust. And it is the only thing that I do. That's me. Everything I do on YouTube is me. It's the trust vehicle. I only worry about YouTube, and all this other stuff happens by accident. No ads, no marketing, none of this stuff. It's just being a good person and consistent. So realize that YouTube is everything and nothing, if that makes sense. It's everything from the content, but it's nothing from the income stream.
Ads.
Yeah, the ads are not.
It's everything from distribution.
It's distribution. It's loyalty. Again, a one YouTube video suddenly now goes to podcast. I made more on podcasts one day than I did YouTube. I didn't know they could do that.
Yeah.
Right? It just showed up.
That's crazy.